Imagine traveling over 3,000 miles in 2 weeks while on vacation using your GoPro HERO9 video camera to shoot cinematic video footage. Wouldn't that be sweet? In this video, you'll learn the 5 ways I filmed cinematic action footage while hiking the Smoky Mountains and other parks just using my GoPro HERO9 camera. Pan forward. I simply hold the camera like this, push the button on top, and move forward towards the object that I'm filming. Pan backwards. I simply hold the camera like this, push the button, and then move backwards. Spin shot. I'll simply hold the camera like this, then spin the camera around as I'm filming the canopy of trees above me. Crane shot. I'll simply hold the camera like this, push the button, and then film going up the tree and then down the tree. You can also incorporate an angle shot while you're filming. So you're holding the camera like this, and as you're going down the tree, you can move it backwards and around. Like so. If you're filming something far away, it's good to have something in the foreground so you can get that cinematic motion effect. For example, here I am filming a log with my GoPro. You can also use the time warp feature to speed up your filming. Just set it to time warp and then press the button on top. If you want to slow down your time warp to slow motion, just push the side button. Now you can see it's at half speed, and so everything that you film will be in slow motion. When you want to change it back to high speed, just push the side button again. To stop, just push the button on top. The time-lapse feature comes in really handy if you're hiking a trail or biking along a bike path. Just hit the side button if you want to slow it down to half speed. Another great feature of the GoPro is that you can film cinematic footage while underwater or just above the water. Here are the settings for filming my 4K video. It's 4K at 24 frames per second. The lens is wide. I used the boost mode and hyper smooth to get smooth footage. Another great benefit of the GoPro HERO9 is that you can use the GoPro Quick app on your phone to edit the video footage. All you have to do is download and install the GoPro Quick app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store, and then you can control your video camera. You can also use the GoPro Quick app to edit your video footage and quickly and easily make a video slideshow. This saves you a ton of time because you don't have to be at your computer and you don't have to lug around a big camera. All you need to record cinematic video footage while you're traveling is your GoPro HERO9 and your phone. If you want to learn how to quickly and easily edit GoPro video footage, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified about my next video. Watch this cinematic GoPro footage captured while hiking Laurel Falls in the Great Smoky Mountains.